Hey guys, New Hope Cuts here. Hope you guys are doing well. Want to come back here with a quick video. Told you guys about my ignition switch here. I got it pulled out. I got a replacement switch for it. Hopefully you guys can see it. It comes with 2 keys. So comes with the 2 keys and everything. I ordered this one because it had this cover to it whereby it goes in and like the key cover, put it right there, so there's no water or nothing that can get in it. And again, it is a HDK 445 switch. If you look at it, they are identical. Pins are identical and all of that. So basically all I have to do is come here, pull this out, line it up just like I had before. Yep, line it up, goes like that. Pin, 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 pin. Snaps right in. That's it. Snaps right in. That's what it was before. Come in here like that. Snaps in. So there you go, guys. Brake is up. Lights are working. Works like a charm. That's where it's supposed to be, right in there. Like that. The lights are on. That's it. Crank right up. Crank right up, guys. New Hope Cuts. Just keep cutting, guys. Keep cutting.